Lee,
Yeah, Moody.
what do you think about the Bob Marley now?
Boy, something wrong with the Bob there, you know, I swear. Look at him. Nose straight.
Bob Marley,
Hair
Bob
blonde.
Marley, yeah, Bob Marley. Them the girl them would have said Bob Marley handsome still, you know,
Yeah.
but me never see Bob Marley lip them look so dead. Like the man just drink some Kool-Aid juice, strawberry Kool-Aid. What the man do to the man and the man beard well comb out. No, man line up and turn out. I look what I'm doing
Man,
hand.
yeah, man, and them, man.
No man, oh God
The Bob
man.
not even a bleach, you know.
Yo, the Marley them need to see this.
Yeah,
Bob
them
Marley.
need to see it and
Yo,
them need to do
that's
something
why.
about
That's why them to protect the man image.
Yeah, they need to protect his image.
Sidela want to see this. Sidela Marley, you need to see this. Look what them do to daddy.
This not right.
I don't like
This
it.
is so wrong. Trust me, look that one.
See Bob Marley there?
Yeah, that is
That are
Bob.
the original Bob Marley. Kuya. Charlie knows. No man, no. Them people are going with their things. Are the Chinese? Oh.
It's a Chinese.
It's a Chinese Bob. No.